Hey guys, so for today we're going to be doing a cook and clean with me. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Lisa. This is the JayLi Life and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright guys, so let's start meal prepping. I'm going to gather all my ingredients that I'm going to need. Let me know down below if any of y'all do this. Do y'all gather all your ingredients at the same time or do you go back and forth one by one? Let me know down below in the comments. So every night for dinner, I always make a fresh batch of iced tea. So here I've added 5 cups of water to my pitcher. I'm going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of Lipton iced tea mix. Give that a good stir. And now I am going to cut up some limes. I like to squeeze fresh lime juice into my tea. And I will also leave the limes inside the tea mix as well. Now, because I added limes to my tea mix, it's going to make it a little tart. So I'm going to go ahead and add less than a 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm going to give that another good mix. And then I'm going to stick it into my fridge for it to chill for when we're ready for dinner. Now it's time to prep for my meatloaf. So here I am mincing about 1/2 cup of white onion. And then here I am mincing about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. And then to this bowl I'm going to add 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef. I'm going to be adding 3/4 cups of panko breadcrumbs. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of ketchup. One egg, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then of course you're going to add the garlic and the onion to the mix. And now you're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And now you're going to grab a sheet pan and some wax paper or parchment paper. Wax paper is just a little bit more budget friendly. So to this we're going to add our meatloaf mixture. And we're going to form a loaf into an 8 by 4 inch loaf. So now you're going to stick it into the oven at 350 degree preheated oven for about 40 minutes. So how many of you guys out there clean as you cook? I am huge on this. I have to clean as I go. I do not like to have the big mess after dinner because you still have your after dinner dishes to look forward to. So let me know down below how many of you guys clean as you cook. Okay guys, so because it was Monday when I filmed this, Monday is laundry day for me. So I am down to my last 2 loads, which are towels, which are my favorite thing to fold. So if you're interested, I'll go ahead and put a link down below on my daily cleaning routine if you guys want to go and check that out. So time to put my apron back on and check on my meatloaf. So my meatloaf has been going for about 45 minutes. So now I'm going to take it out of the oven and I'm going to put my last ingredient, which is a 1/4 cup of ketchup. And I'm just going to go ahead and spread that on the top of the meatloaf. So I'm going to stick that back into the oven for about 10 more minutes. So in the meantime, I'm going to prep my sides, which is super easy today. It's instant mashed potatoes and canned green beans and corn. So now my meatloaf is ready, everything else is ready, and check this out. It was so delicious, guys. Everybody here loves meatloaf. I don't make it as often, but I think I need to put it into my rotation of meals. So here's my meal. Here's my meatloaf, mashed, and canned green beans and corn. So now the part that I dread is the cleanup. So I'm going to clean up the kitchen. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that little bell on the side so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any new videos. And don't forget to give it a like.